Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn guitar online for beginners. First, select a guitar that feels right for you, whether it's an acoustic or electric model. Next, establish a comfortable playing posture, ensuring your back is straight and your arms are relaxed. Familiarize yourself with the guitar's main components, such as the fretboard, tuning pegs, and bridge. Understanding these basics sets a strong foundation for your learning journey. Once you have your guitar, the next crucial step is tuning it correctly. Many free online tuners or smartphone apps can help you achieve perfect pitch. Then, focus on mastering a few essential open chords, such as G, C, D, and E minor. These chords are the building blocks for countless songs. Dedicate time to finger exercises to build strength and coordination, which will make chord changes smoother. The internet offers a wealth of resources for aspiring guitarists. Look for free video tutorials on platforms like YouTube, or consider structured online courses designed for beginners. Incorporate a metronome into your practice routine to develop a strong sense of rhythm and timing. Finally, apply your new chord knowledge by learning to play simple songs. This makes practice enjoyable and reinforces what you've learned. To ensure continuous progress, establish a consistent practice schedule, even if it's just 15 to 30 minutes each day. Regularity is more important than long, infrequent sessions. Engage with online guitar communities. They offer invaluable support, tips, and motivation from fellow learners. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Keep strumming and enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.